Up the road. Not going on a Tara.
Go to Jane's grave.
What about Jane's Causeway? I don't think Jane's Causeway.
Up the road. I'm up
Get a
a
shade
hill
to
and
my
up
best
above
plate
there.
over me.
Go on
What
a
the
wee
fuck do you
scary
want?
house
I
then.
have some bitches.
If I went there, can I only bury Lauren?
Right,
Double
well,
barrel.
every day has
Eh?
double barrel Harry's.
Tell me the other house in the house.
You get some murder dinner and go and see it.
That's Wayne's way, but we put there.
Where?
This is the scary house. This is Wayne's way, we don't go all that.
Scary
Yes, we went to here and go for next down the
But sure,
stairs.
why would you look at this scary house?
Jane's Causeway.
Eh?
Jane's
Jane's
Causeway?
I've never been to the Jane's
Go
Causeway.
to Jane's Causeway.
No, I don't think so.
Go there.
Did you never really be busy
Where are you going?
Oh, it wouldn't be going this week, it'd be the following week, wouldn't it? Following Wednesday.
Peter, give me a high five.
I would be working. I'm back at work.